In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Zoho account in just 5 minutes. Zoho offers an extensive suite of applications that can greatly enhance your productivity, and getting started is quick and easy. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to head over to Zoho's sign up page. The easiest way to do this is by navigating to their website directly at zoho.com. Sign up, mail. Once you're there, you'll find yourself at the beginning of the process to create your brand new account. It's designed to be straightforward, so you shouldn't find it too daunting. Upon reaching the sign up page, you'll see a form that needs to be filled out. This form is your gateway into the world of Zoho, so let's fill it out step by step. The first field is for your full name. Make sure you enter your name as you'd like it to appear on your account. Next, there's a space for your email address. This should be an email that you check regularly, since it will be integral for account verification and communication with Zoho. After entering your email, you'll need to create a password. Choose something strong and secure, yet something you're likely to remember. For the best security, combine uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Finally, select your country from the drop-down menu. This helps Zoho tailor its services to your location, accounting for any region-specific features that might be useful to you. Before you proceed, there are a couple of final tasks. First, you need to agree to Zoho's terms of service. It's always a good idea to at least skim through terms and conditions so you're aware of what you're agreeing to. Then make sure to check the CAPTCHA box, which is a simple way for Zoho to ensure that you're a real person and not a bot. Once everything looks good, click sign up for free. Congrats, you've just taken a big step. However, there's one more thing you need to do to activate your account fully. Zoho will send a verification email to the address you provided, so head over to your inbox and look for it. If you don't see it immediately, remember to check your spam or junk folders just in case it ended up there by mistake. As soon as you locate the email, click on the verification link provided. This link is crucial as it activates your account and verifies your email address. With your account activated, you're now free to explore Zoho's suite of applications. From CRM to email, document management, and beyond, you can begin utilizing the free versions of these tools right away. And there you have it, you've successfully created a Zoho account and are ready to start exploring all the fantastic tools it offers. Thanks for watching and enjoy your journey with Zoho.